To form the if clause of mixed conditionals, we use if plus past perfect and the main clause would plus verb. Have a look at the examples below. If Kate had studied more, she would have a better GPA. If he had started painting the picture in June, it would be finished now. Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about mixed conditionals. Let's get started. Remember that conditionals are sentences with two clauses, a main clause and an if clause. Now, conditionals state that the action in the main clause can only take place if a certain condition in the if clause is fulfilled. Have a look at the example over here. If we don't hurry, we will be late. Now, this is a conditional sentence, and it's used to state that the action in the main clause, being late, will take place if we don't hurry. Now, there are 5 main types of conditionals in English, and amongst them are mixed conditionals. Now, mixed conditionals refer to conditional sentences that combine two different types of conditional patterns. The mixed conditional is used to refer to a time in the past and a situation that is ongoing in the present. Have a look at the example below. If I had won the lottery, I would buy a huge house. Now, this means that I didn't win the lottery in the past, and I'm living in a small apartment right now. Now, the most common mixed conditional is when we have a third conditional in the if clause, if plus past perfect, followed by a second conditional, would plus the base form of the verb in the main clause. Note that the order of the main and if clause is not fixed, although when the if clause precedes the main one, make sure to use a comma. Now, the less common mixed conditional is when we have a second conditional in the if clause, if plus past simple, followed by a third conditional, would have plus past participle in the main clause. Now, this conditional refers to an unreal present situation, and it's possible but unreal past result. Have a look at the example below. If I weren't afraid of flying, I would have traveled by air, meaning that I am afraid of flying in general, and that time I traveled by train.